EMP is what we would call a value-added reseller. Our job is to take products like BarTender and barcode scanners, label printers, and integrate them together in a solution for the customers.
Before Dynamics, we would manually create the labels, so the user would manually input the entry for the label.
We were on QuickBooks for decades, and we knew we needed to get into a cloud-based product. We were hand entering things into BarTender in order to print labels that we were using in-house separately, which was prone to errors, took extra work and extra time.
The user would have to first look up an order as it was coming in. They would be searching in one system, and then they'd be going into BarTender and entering all the information related to that before creating the label. And that just left a lot of room for mistakes and user error.
We chose BarTender as our go-to label printing software package because when we looked at what our customers were already using, BarTender was the overwhelming answer. And then secondly, we look at the product's capabilities and whether it'll do everything that we want and need a label printing software package to do for our customers. You need it to be able to talk to an ERP or a WMS or a spreadsheet or a database, and the cloud version now can do all of that.
The user doesn't have to work in two systems, and the information is coming directly from our ERP system, so it's live, real-time data. You can start right from there with a great looking label that conforms to industry standards.
We love selling BarTender to our customers because of the myriad cost savings and error proofing that it does for the customer.
I manage two groups, a group of technicians. They maintain and repair and troubleshoot the equipment. And then I have a group of engineers that execute the projects we do for our customers. Drew is in charge of our Dynamics and gave it to him. I was ready for questions and issues, and he came back and said, "Hey Mike, it's installed." I was just surprised how simple it was to get it working.
These days, with the ability to bolt onto a database like we're doing here with the Dynamics Business Central connector, you don't ever have to use BarTender. As you're using your business software to get your job done, BarTender's in the background just printing the labels when you need them, as you need them.
You can design your own labels in their BarTender Cloud designer, which is fantastic, and it really just makes that process much easier for the end users and the partners and gives them flexibility to improve on existing processes.
BarTender is a fantastic product. I've been working with it for probably 9 years now. Still find things I didn't know it could do.
That's the power of what we did here with the Dynamics connector, and that's the power that we help our customers achieve as well.